Hello children, today we are going to start our computer subject 4th lesson, that is Microsoft Windows. Children, we have already learned about uses of computer in our previous lecture. So students, today we will learn about Microsoft Windows. Microsoft Windows is an operating system developed by Microsoft company. So, this is Microsoft Windows. Microsoft Windows is a popular operating system. An operating system is located onto a new computer when it is newly purchased. After that, whenever the computer is switched on, Microsoft Windows is automatically loaded. Several versions of Microsoft Windows are available. Windows 95, Windows 98, Windows 2000 NT and Windows XP are some of them. Here we shall mainly discuss Microsoft Windows XP. Starting Windows. When the computer is switched on, the Windows XP screen appears. It is called the desktop. First topic is components of desktop. Taskbar. Children, this is a taskbar. This is a bar located at the bottom of the desktop. There is a start button at the left and some icons to the right. Next is start button. The taskbar at the bottom of the desktop has a start button on the left. When we click on the start button, the start menu opens. The start menu is used to start a program. The programs are seen as icons in the start menu. Next is programs menu. Programs menu first is accessories. Some popular programs in this submenu are Paint, Calculator, Notepad, WordPad, etc. Okay. Then second is Microsoft Office. This has programs like MS Word, MS Excel and MS PowerPoint. Windows Media Player. This program is used to watch a film on a CD or listen to an audio CD and games. Next topic is file and folder. A file is a set or collection of data that is stored in the computer. A folder is a structure for keeping file on a computer. This is the icon for a folder. Look at this picture. All different types of folder pictures. Next topic is folders on the desktop. First is My Computer. This is the My Computer icon. The My Computer folder show the content of our floppy disk, hard disk and CD-ROM drive. We can use it to search for files. We can also use it to open files and folders. Second is My Documents. My Documents is a personal folder. It is used to store the files we create. Next is Recycle Bin. Recycle bin is the place in which Windows stores the deleted files. If a file gets deleted by mistake, it can be brought back from from the recycle bin. Okay. Then next topic is menus. Menus bar is the horizontal strip across the top of the windows of a program. Each word on the strip is a menu. Here are the menu bars from various programs. A menu is a list of options. When it is clicked, a menu window opens vertically. This is called a drop-down menu. Okay, children? I hope that you have understood what I taught you today. Now let us see a video to get more information for this chapter.
You will learn about the introduction to Windows. What is Windows? Windows is a user-friendly operating system which allows the user to install programs and software on computer systems. Windows is a type of software which can be categorized as both application software and system software. There are a lot of versions of Windows such as Windows 98, Windows 2000, Windows XP, Windows Vista, etc. The latest version is Windows 8, based on Tile interface. Let us study the various parts of the Windows. The taskbar is at the bottom of the computer screen. It allows access to the programs that are currently running and also allows the user to switch between them. The taskbar also contains the Start button. The desktop is the main screen you see after you log on to your computer. The sidebar is on the side of your computer screen, which contains small programs called as gadgets. This feature is present exclusively on Windows 7. Let us know more about Windows. It can perform any task related to the system and the user. In general, a Windows screen is a rectangular area on the desktop, which usually contains a number of standard parts. There are small pictures on the desktop screen which represent files, folders, programs, and other items. These pictures are called icons. On starting the Windows, you will at least see one icon on the desktop, such as Recycle Bin. The images shown here are some of the examples of desktop icons. To start or open a program, you need to double-click on the representative icon. For example, double-clicking the Internet Explorer icon will start the Internet Explorer.
Students, did you understood the video about Microsoft Windows? Now let us summarize the topic. The taskbar at the bottom of the desktop has a Start button on the left. The task menu opens when we click on the Start button. Programs are seen as icons in the Start menu. The Programs menu displays a list of programs loaded into the computer. The Programs menu, the sub-menu, accessories as programs like Paint, Calculator, Notepad and WordPad. In Programs menu, the sub-menu Microsoft Office, these programs like MS Word, MS Excel and MS PowerPoint. A file is a set of data stored in the computer. A folder is a structure for keeping files on the computer. My computer, my documents and recycle bin are some folders found on the desktop. My documents is a personal folder in which we store the files we create. A menu is a lot of options. Menus are found on the menu bar at the top of a program window. So, with this our chapter is completed and you should study about work of computer. So please read this lesson from your book carefully. Children, you might have read the notice regarding our first unit test which begins from 3rd September. So it is necessary that you revise all the lessons by going through all the videos right from 1st chapter to 4th chapter. Write exercises, question and answers given in your book and solve MCQ test. Bye all of you. Stay safe at home. Thank you. Do study.